Hey there guys, welcome back. Today's video will show you how to look for GTA 5 roleplay servers on FIVEM. Are you looking to get on the amazing craze that is GTA 5 roleplay on FIVEM? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so if you do not know what this video is about, this is a video about looking for a server that you can join so you could do GTA 5 roleplay. And the first thing you need to do is open a browser, go to the FIVEM website, which is fivem.net, right? And download the client, as you can see over here, this big pinkish, like salmon colored block. It says FIVEM.exe, right? And it says join the 114.2 people playing right now. So if you don't know, FIVEM is a modification for Grand Theft Auto 5, enabling you to play multiplayer on customized dedicated servers powered by cfx.re. So basically, if you haven't played GTA 5, the game, it's you are going to be playing on servers and play a character and do improv. Whether you're a cop, a criminal, a gangster, a civilian, you know, the world's your oyster. And how to get in is you need to have the GTA 5 game installed to your PC, and at the same time, the FIVEM, like what I said, client needs to be installed as well. And it's the FIVEM installation is very straightforward, just like any software that you've installed in your computer or Mac. So what you want is to know more, right? What we have for you is streaming AI sync quality standalone. So FIVEM allows servers to use custom cars, maps, weapons, and more dynamically. So there's a lot of customization you can do with FIVEM. You can create custom cars. You could alter the map. There are some GTA 5 servers that are not based in Los Santos. It's based on, like, there are a few that's they literally wiped out Los Santos and put New York City as the map, as the main map. And the biggest like hype right now is a server called Ignite RP. It's called 1985. The server is based on 1985, so everything, the cars, the mechanics, everything is based on the 80s, which is very interesting. As you can see here, AI FIVEM allows servers to keep the original game AI, so you'll never be alone. Meaning you'll have cars running around, you have NPCs, or as role players call them, locals, walking around, working, jogging, playing with their dog, all those things, right? And the next is sync quality. FIVEM uses Rockstar's network code with improvements, so you'll have the best sync all around. So you don't need to worry about lag or desync. And standalone, FIVEM doesn't modify your GTA 5 installation, so you can switch between GTA 0 and FIVEM without getting banned. And system requirements, as you can see here, Windows 10. Minimum is Windows 8.1. I don't know if people still use that. A lot of people are now transitioning to Windows 11, but like myself, I use Windows 10, which is the norm. So it says Intel i5 or AMD X8 FX 8350 4 gigahertz. The video card or GPU at least GTX 1662 gig. Right? Memory, you need 16 gig at least, and the hard drive, you need 772 gig plus 8 gig. So it's not that high, especially in today's day and age. Even the a bit more above the average computer can pretty much run this. And yeah, so that's pretty much with the FIVEM.net server. Let's go, like, again, once you've finally logged in, and registered and logged in, and install the FIVEM app or software, you can go to FIVEM right now. And as you can see here, we are logged in on FIVEM.net. It says here, this is the current player account. It says 114.6K. And the highest player count in the last 24 hours is almost 300,000 people, 263K. That's a lot of people playing GTA roleplay, pretty much. So let's break down the homepage, as it were, of FIVEM.net. As you can see here, it says click play. right? And then this is where you can click show on the last server that you played. So in this account, we haven't played anything. Here you could put your favorites. You could heart the favorites you want in the history, supporters, people who support the FiveM team and donate. And top servers right now, they're gonna show it here. As you can see, Dynasty RP, and you could, there's a lot here. Say Familia Green, Dynasty, Chaotic, V Live, the Bay LA, Miguel, New York. Again, this is probably one of those New York maps that I was mentioning earlier. Project Insomnia. So there's a lot of. So these are the ones that are highlighted today. This usually changes every day or every so often, right? And then here, this is a community tab, which like these are pretty much tweets, right, from Rockstar Games and from the CFX.re account, right? So forums are pretty much where it's a forum for FiveM, mostly for technical stuff or reports and whatnot. Patreon is where you pay them for everything. I mean, not pay them for everything, but if you want to donate, like they have a Patreon where you can support them, right? So if you're going to look for a server that you want to play in, click on play over here, and see we search for something over here. This is a Filipino server that we checked out. Click on that, and as you can see, there is a ton of servers that you can play on. There is just a ton of servers that you can play on, as you can see, right? So, and then like what I said, like just like in the homepage, there are featured servers as well on the right side. Impulse, RSM, G Life, Cosmic King. So there's a lot. There's a lot of different types of servers. So what you need to do to look for a server is, one, do you want a server in your own native language? So if you're Brazilian and you want to play on a Brazil server, right? These servers are in Portuguese, right? So maybe check this out, right? Talk Your Roleplay Maior do Brasil. As you can see, these are and then usually for American English, you're gonna see that you can check the language by flag. This is for French. It's usually French. It's usually American, Portuguese, and French. Then you have some German as well. This is Arabic. This is French again. So there are many language servers based on servers. So or you can type it here Portuguese maybe. Let's type in Portuguese, right? Like locale, right? Locale. Portuguese maybe. There are a lot of different ways, right? Or you can type New York, right? There you go. These are pretty much going to be New York maps, right? So again, and another thing you need to keep in mind is, let's go to an English server and check out the server page. And as you can see here, this is exclusive roleplay. The name of the server is exclusive roleplay. Full reset all new characters. The Discord link. Whitelisted gangsters, custom drug bank store, weapons heist, real economy, custom car series, serious roleplay. That's pretty much what you want to have if you want to dive in roleplay. And what you want to do is wait for it to load and then scroll down until you see the comments. As you can see here, a lot of this server specifically, and we don't want to trash it, but based on the comments, it doesn't seem to be promising. So what you want to have is, like, when you look for a server, make sure to click on every profile of the server and check the comments, right? And as you can see here, this isn't good either. There's one. There's a few good comments, but it's usually negative. So it's kind of hard to find a good server, and that's the reason why servers like NoPixel, Ignite, District 10, Production are up there as some of the best servers because they are managed by competent people. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.